Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I will guide you through the process of funding your Plug SMM Service account using the bank transfer method. Please note that this method is specifically for Nigeria users only. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by checking out the video linked at the top right of the screen. After logging in or creating your account, you will see the Add Funds option on your dashboard. Click on it and wait for the page to load completely. Once the page loads, select the bank transfer 5% bonus from 100,000 Naira or above option. After selecting this option, enter the amount you want to deposit into your account and tap Pay. This will redirect you to the Flutterwave payment page. Flutterwave is a trusted and secure payment gateway, so your transaction is safe. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen. You will see a generated account number on the Flutterwave page. Copy this account number, then open your banking app and paste it where required. Also choose the correct bank name provided by Flutterwave and enter the exact amount shown on your screen. Make sure the amount matches exactly to avoid any issues. If something goes wrong, don't worry. You can contact us on WhatsApp using the number shown on your screen or in the video description. After confirming that all the details are correct, I will enter my banking PIN to complete the payment. Once the payment is made successfully, then return back to the Flutterwave page and tap the I've made this bank transfer button. Now all you need to do is wait for the payment to be processed. This usually takes less than 5 minutes, but depending on your bank, it may take up to 30 minutes. If your payment hasn't been processed after 30 minutes, please contact us through WhatsApp using the number provided in the video description. After your payment is confirmed, you will receive an email notification sent to the email address linked to your account. This email will confirm that the money has been added to your balance. You can now use the funds for purchases or any other transactions on your Plug SMM Service account. In the next video showing on your screen, I will also guide you on how to boost Instagram accounts. Be sure to watch that video to avoid any mistakes and get the most out of your account. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.